Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus tahini easy guide. Start by draining and reserving 1 can of chickpeas and set aside some liquid. Add 2 tablespoon tahini, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, and 1/2 tsp salt to a food processor. Blend while slowly adding 2 tablespoon olive oil and 1 to 2 tablespoon reserved liquid until silky. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or tahini to preference. In this video, I will show how to make hummus tahini easy guide. For ultra-smooth hummus, peel a few chickpeas by rubbing them gently between fingers. It helps texture. Use a high-speed blender or food processor and pulse before running continuously. Start with less liquid and add tiny amounts until the consistency feels right. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a quick whirl to emulsify and shine the surface. In this video, I will show how to make hummus tahini easy guide. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep hummus, those leak-proof containers are a game changer for transport and fridge storage, and they keep lids tidy for dips and salads. They also stack well with your lunch routine and cut down on mess. If you want the exact set and other deals, check the description for the link. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hummus tahini easy guide. To customize, fold in roasted red pepper for sweetness or mix in a handful of herbs for freshness. For heat, add a teaspoon of harissa or a pinch of cayenne and taste as you go. For a richer nutty profile, increase tahini by 1 tsp at a time. Serve with warm pita, vegetables, or as a sandwich spread for versatility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.